Children, in this video we are going to learn how to prepare comparative balance sheet. Okay, so what we will do, first of all, whatever name of organization will be there, you write like ABC Limited or whatever name is there. Then you will write comparative balance sheet. So comparative balance sheet we will prepare. We will write here as, at, and date will be given 31st March, as we were presenting balance sheet, and year will be given. Okay, here we are taking one example questions. So here we will write particulars, then we will write note number, then previous year amount. So in question sometimes you will be given first previous year, sometimes first current year, but in solution always we will write first previous year. So what is the previous year here? 2023. So 31st March 2023, you can write here previous year rupees. Okay, so we write previous year and current year so that we remember that always we have to write in this sequence. Then 31st March 2024. After that you have to write absolute change. Absolute change means what is the change in figure in these 2 years. So this part we say it, this previous year amount is called B. We name here A, here B, here C. So this is previous year and this is current year. So we will write C equal B minus A. Then we will write percent change. Percent change. Percent change, here we will give name D. D equal this C. C by A into 100. Okay, C by A into 100. Now we have to compare this. So first we have to prepare the particulars column. This is the most important thing. So here what you find, first in the question decide which are the major head and which are the subhead. So shareholder fund is non-current asset. Shareholder fund is major head itself, SHF, major head. Then non-current liability is also major head. Current liability is also major head. Non-current asset is major head and current asset is major head. Means in this question we are not given any subhead. So question becomes easy. Easily we will prepare the particulars column. So first we will write equity and liabilities. Under that we will write share holders fund. Okay, what is the amount of shareholders fund? 2023 15 lakh. So we will write here 15 lakh, and 2024 22 lakh 50,000. So 22 lakh 50,000. Then second is non-current liability. So we will write here non-current liabilities. If any subhead would be there, then below one number we will write first subhead. So what could be there? Share capital or reserve and surplus. So it is not given in question. So we will write here 7 lakh 50,000 previous year, current year also 7 lakh 50,000. After that third number we will write current liabilities. Current liabilities. So current liabilities previous year 2 lakh 50,000 and current year 7 lakh 50,000. Okay, now we will make the total. Liability side is over. So total will be how much? 7, 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 25 lakh. Here total 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, 10, 5, 15, carry 1, 7, 7, 14, 1, 15, 2, 17, carry 1 and 3, 37 lakh 50,000. After that we will write the asset side, 2 number assets. Okay, in asset side what we will write? First, non-current assets. So non-current assets. Particulars column, this pattern we need to follow. Non-current asset what is? Previous year 17 lakh 50,000 and current year 26 lakh 25,000. Then second is current assets. Current asset what we will write? Current year 7 lakh 50,000 and previous year 7 lakh 50,000 and current year 11 lakh 25,000. Only 2 items are this side. We will do the total of this side also. We will write here total. Okay. Now what we will write? We will find the change, whether there is increase or decrease. So 22 lakh 50,000 minus 15 lakh. This side total also we will do. 17 plus 7, 24, 25 lakh. Here 25, 25, 50, 6, 1, 7 and 3. As this is balance sheet, so both sides are equal. Now we will, after completing this much, we will go to third column. Okay. First, with peaceful mind, we need to complete this. Now we will write the difference. Means we have to deduct from B to A. So 22 lakh 50,000 minus 15 lakh, that is 7 lakh 50,000. 15 plus 7, 22 and 50. Here difference is nothing. Here 50, 50, 0 and 2 plus 5, 7, so 5 lakh. Or you can calculate and reduce. After that, here what is the difference? So 50 lakh 50,000 and here 25 plus 12, 37, so 12 lakh 50,000. Or you can reduce from this to this. Then here, if complicated figure is there, then how will you reduce? You have to reduce from this to this. So 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 5 will not be there. So 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Okay, here 5. 5 minus 7 will not be there. So 15 minus 7. So 15 minus 7, 8. Now if we have doubt, we can add and check. So 5. Here 7 plus 5, 12, 1, 8, 1, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 1, 1, 1, 2. After that, here 0, 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 12 minus 7, 12 minus 5, 7, then 10 minus 7, 3. We can add together to calculate. So 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry, 3, 1, 4, 7, 4, 11. Here difference again 12 lakh 50,000, because total is same, so difference will also be same. Now what we need to calculate? D equals C by A into 100. Percent change means what is the percentage of change. So we will compare from the base year. So how will we compare this? We will compare that how much change is there. So what is the formula here? C by A into 100. So how can you do? C means 7 lakh 50,000 divided by 15 lakh into 100%. Or if you are vigilant, you can check that 15 lakh and 750. They are totally 750 is half of 15 lakh. Half means 50%. So directly you can write here 50%. Here no change means no percent. Here you see 2 lakh 50,000 is base year A and C is 5 lakh double. Double means if same is there means 100%. Double is means 200%. Okay. Now here see 12 lakh 50,000 is half of 25 lakh. So half means what? 50%. Here see 7 lakh 50,000 and 8 lakh 75,000. It is half of this. You can check 5 to the 10, 7 to the 14, 115, 8 to the 16, 117. Half means 50%. Means there are many figures which can be calculated without formula. Okay, and in some you need to calculate by formula. Here also this is half of this, so 50%. Here this is half of this, 50%. See how long it took. तो क्या करना है हमें, सबसे पहला काम है कि हम पहचाने कि जो क्वेश्चन में आइटम्स हैं उसमें मेजर हेड क्या है, सब हेड क्या है। यहाँ हमने देखा सब मेजर हेड था, यानी कि हमें फिर पता था कि लायबिलिटी साइड केवल 3 मेजर हेड होता है, एसेट साइड 2। हमने पैटर्न में सेट कर दिया, प्रीवियस ईयर करंट ईयर का अमाउंट लिख लिया, उसका डिफरेंस निकाल लिया और परसेंट निकालना था। परसेंट निकालते समय अगर फिगर डिफ़िकल्ट है तो लिख के परसेंट कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे, और अगर इस तरह सिंपल फिगर होता है, कुछ फिगर जैसे कि आधा का आधा है तो 25% हो जाएगा, आधा है एकदम तो 50% होगा, बराबर है तो 100% होगा, और डबल है तो 200% होगा। तो यहाँ वैसे ही फिगर मिले थे जो ईजिली हो गए। तो यहाँ चेंज का परसेंट निकला। हेडिंग पे ध्यान रखना है, 2 चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है, एक क्या पर्टिकुलर्स कॉलम का पैटर्न, और दूसरा हेडिंग, कि जब हमें कंपैरेटिव बोलेगा तो 2 साल को कंपेयर करना है, मतलब उसका माइनस करना है और तब उसका परसेंट निकालना है। ठीक है, तो इसको आप लोग अच्छे से देखिए, अगर कहीं डाउट होता है तो मुझे बताइएगा। नेक्स्ट एक और क्वेश्चन हम लोग देख रहे हैं। अब इस क्वेश्चन को देखिए, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, पूरा पैटर्न सेट है। अगर पैटर्न सेट है तो हमारा तो 50% काम ऐसे ही हो गया, क्योंकि देखिए यहाँ इक्विटी एंड लायबिलिटी लिखा है, मेजर हेड लिखा हुआ है शेयर होल्डर फंड, फिर सब हेड लिखा है शेयर कैपिटल, फिर नॉन करेंट लायबिलिटी लिखा है, उसके अंदर लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग लिखा है, करंट लायबिलिटी के अंदर ट्रेड पेएबल लिखा हुआ है, नॉन करेंट एसेट में भी लिखा हुआ है पीपीई है ना, उसमें प्रॉपर्टी प्लांट इक्विपमेंट है, करेंट एसेट है, ट्रेड रिसीवेबल। तो ये हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, एज इट इज़ कॉपी कर देना है। प्रीवियस ईयर करंट ईयर अमाउंट दिया, सेम लिख देना है। तो अब हमारा काम कितना बचा, सिर्फ 2 कॉलम हमें करना है, एक एब्सोल्यूट चेंज का जिसमें हम C = B - A करेंगे, और एक परसेंट चेंज का जिसमें D = C/A × 100 करेंगे, और बस बन जाएगा। इस क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी नहीं है। तो आप लोग इस क्वेश्चन को ट्राई कीजिएगा बनाने का। किसी को अगर कहीं डाउट हो तो मुझे बताइए। इन दोनों क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से देख लीजिए, एक बार सॉल्व कीजिए। इफ़ हैविंग एनी डाउट लेट मी नो। Tomorrow in different video I will do common size statement of the same question. We will see how common size will be prepared and what will be the difference between two. Okay, so you all go through this, very simple and small topic is there. I have concluded in a small video. You try. Having any problem let me know in comment section. Thank you.